Whoa, didn't see you there. Today we're gonna be taking the muffler off of my 3-liter Ford Ranger, and we're gonna go terrorize the town after that. So let me just eat my dumplings here, and then we'll get to that. Quick little story though, before we get started. My buddy Nathan had this 2.3-liter Ranger back in the day, and he took the muffler off. People would ask when I'd post a video on Snapchat of his car, like doing a little gravel burnout or like drifting in the snow, they'd ask, is this thing engine swapped? Like, what engine is in this thing? Because it just popped and crackled like crazy, and it sounded like it was tuned and had some popcorn burble tune. So I'm hoping my 3-liter Ranger will do the same thing. But for now, like I said, let me eat my dumplings and then we'll get right to it, baby. Don't you worry. Okay, let's jump under this thing and get this muffler out. So what we're taking out is the tailpipe back here, all the way up here. We got our big muffler over here, and all the way up to here. That's where we're gonna crack it off. So I already cracked off the other side. The bolt broke, so we're gonna break this bolt off right here and then take this whole section out. Come on, baby. There we go. Good stuff. Okay. I don't think there's any exhaust hangers left. The old foot can't connect. I think that's off. For me. Huh. Checkmate, bitch. Okay, only one thing left to do now. Start this thing up and see how it sounds. Better just plop this puppy down first. Can't get in from this side, from the outside. No keyhole, broken door handle. Gotta reach in. Classic. So, make sure to always start the car with the garage door closed so you can breathe in the fumes. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Better give her a couple romps here. Okay, now we terrorize the town.
in first gear.
Okay, we'll see if we can slide this corner up here. I couldn't slide it before I fixed the coil packs. We'll see if I can do it now. Oh, yeah, yeah, baby. Woo! I found out today too, this thing has a limited slip diff in it. I looked at the axle code, and assuming it was some open diff, and that was gonna be a future video, I was gonna swap in a limited slip diff out of a Ford Explorer or something, but this one has the axle code of a limited slip. All right, we picked up the Ding Doctor. We're about to do a little gravel burnout here. Oh, and he bangs it. I like these little wheels. The Ding Doc approved. Should I record this part? You hop out.